This video is not only for students but also for all the fathers and mothers who have concern about their children. Do you know what is the biggest problem of the student? It's nothing but the word study. 90% of research says that the student don't know why exactly he is studying. As we spend 25 to 30 years in just studying, we should know what exactly we are doing. In this video, I am going to explain how you can build yourself. Before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravant. Welcome to my channel, Be Anonymous. Study, 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 study. Ever you wonder why exactly we are studying? Some of you say yes, but most of you say no. Study is not a success, but if you study, it will become a key to success. The three important points that you should remember in your life are: the first point is you should throw away the two questions. We start from what and how. What to do and how to do. Behalf of it, you should inbuild a new surprising question, that is why. If you know the answer why to do, you will be success. The second point is consistency. You should do your work constantly. And the third point is passion. I can't talk about everyone's passion, but let us talk about my passion. In our daily life, we play and see lot of games. For example, we see PUBG. Angry Birds. COD. By the title and game, you might be thinking about this.
Avengers! Assemble.
After referring many books, consulting my friends, I moved a step forward and made this. Let me show how exactly I made it. To be a super personality, one should have two quantities, that are unique and originality. I am trying to improve myself using these quantities. If you too want to improve yourself, let me know in the comment box.
Peace.